All right guys, if you've been tinting long enough, you know that this is a problem, but you're not sure how to fix it. Okay, so your windshields keep peeling. Why? Now this could be your front or your back windshields. Is it the product? Is it the heat? Is it that you didn't clean it properly? Is it this terrible glass? I'll tell you the answer. It's much more simple than a lot of people make it. Okay, so when you're tinting a back windshield or front windshield, number one, you wanna make sure you're not cleaning with anything that has a heavy degreaser. Okay, so don't use Joy, Dawn, use alcohol-based solutions. So using a film all-type solution while you're cleaning, making sure that there's no residue from your other solutions in that bottle. Okay, that's step number one, making sure you clean it with an alcohol-based solution. Number two, when you're shrinking, shrink in the direction of the install. So don't over shrink, make sure you're shrinking up, down, and make sure when you're squeegeeing up and down. If you are in the summer, you wanna make sure you're adding a lot of extra slip, but you wanna make sure to leave the car sitting inside for about 5 minutes after you're done installing it. A trick that I like to do is that we like to do the windshield and the back windshield first before we do the side windows. That way you can have plenty of time for the film to cure. If you're rushing and you're pushing the car in and out, you wanna make sure that, again, you start with the front and the back windshield. That's gonna help you out to make sure, even if you are rushing, that you're able to leave enough time to dry. After adding the all-type solution, and after applying those techniques, I guarantee you won't be having this issue anymore. And if you still are experiencing this issue, just leave the car inside to dry a little bit longer. But for sure, baby shampoo, Dawn, Joy, all of those, we've seen the film peel, and we do not recommend those for installing. So use all-type solution. I promise you that'll solve all your problems. See you guys in the next video.